So here we have a quick walkthrough of a Royal Park South villa located in Jumeirah Village Circle. Here's the parking area, 2 parking spaces which are covered just here. This is a 4-bed plus maid. Let me just quickly point out the beautiful detailing on all the doors here. So this is a 4-bedroom plus maid property, which is 2,750 square foot built up. The units have 2 different kitchen options. You've got a type B kitchen, which is what you can see here, which is completely open plan with 2 different marble sets. There's actually a dark marble which goes over this side, which looks amazing. Maid's room over this side as we go in. It's a really good size with a bathroom just over here. Again, the detailing on all the doors is the same all the way throughout the property. You've got a powder room just downstairs as well here, which is absolutely gorgeous. You've got the marble detailing there as well, and on the back wall. It's incredibly spacious downstairs. You've got this open staircase with an amazing roof light. Okay, let's head upstairs. You've got this lovely wraparound bottom to the stairs here. And obviously you've got the storage cupboard here and a feature shelving unit, which is very nice. You've got an enormous amount of light coming through the skylight just up here. This is a unit with the pantry up here on the landing. We've got bedrooms 3 and 4 just here, with the shared bathroom just over this side, which is lovely. You've got some wardrobes just here as well. There we go. Got some beds and stuff in here, but that one is bedroom 3. And then we can head down this way. We've got a big storage cupboard this side. This is the 2nd master, just here, with the ensuite bathroom, which looks gorgeous. Then we have the master bedroom over this side, which is humongous. Really nice. Full walk-in closets just here. And the pied de resistance is this ensuite bathroom for the master, which has got a full wet room over this side, shower, and then the bath just down there, and your toilet with all the feature shelving as well.